Hi, welcome to our Take 5 lesson on Trailer Biosecurity Part 2, Loading and Unloading. A special thanks to our Take 5 sponsor, Neogen. One of the highest risks for disease spread is transport. Introducing a novel disease to a farm could be $1 million mistake, one that we don't want to make. I want to introduce you to a friend and colleague of mine, Dr. Andrea Pitkin from PIC. Dr. Pitkin is a biosecurity expert. Well, hi, Dr. Pitkin.
Hey, Sarah. Thanks for having me today.
Today, we are going to cover a ton of great tips on how to protect our farms from disease by practicing good truck and driver biosecurity during transport to and from the farm. When we have a question, Dr. Pitkin can help us out.
Absolutely. Very happy to help.
A lot of work was done to make sure that this trailer was properly cleaned, disinfected, and dried prior to loading and moving pigs. Today, we are going to transport some gilts from a developer to the sow farm and work to protect the health of the gilts and the sow farm by practicing good truck hauler biosecurity. Some systems use layers of plastic boots or shoe spray, but in this situation, we're going to show how to use a biosecurity kit. We're going to make that trailer a sanctuary. Let's get started. Step 1, get clearance for transport and drive to the farm.
On my way with a delivery of gilts in a clean trailer. Be there at 7 a.m., 10-4, roger, roger, over and out.
Make sure you arrive at the farm with everything you need for a biosecure transfer. Step 2, equip your truck with what you need. Make sure your cab is equipped with garbage bags, hand sanitizer, disinfectant spray or wipes, clean coveralls, and booties. You will also need your biosecurity kit to help you move from the cab to the trailer to receive the pigs.
So in our clean tote, which is important for when we arrive at the farm, we want to make sure our coveralls are clean, our gloves are clean, our plastic boots are clean. It's also nice to have paper towels in case you need to wipe anything down, or some type of wet disinfectant wipe if you need to wipe something down as well.
Step 3, once on the farm, put on clean coveralls and plastic boots prior to loading pigs.
So when you arrive at the farm, we need to make sure that if we have any residual virus or bacteria in our cab, that we don't bring that with us into the trailer. Even though we did a really good job of cleaning it, it's a nice extra precaution step.
It's your responsibility to make sure you aren't spreading disease. Put on your clean coveralls and booties. As you apply your booties, make sure your feet do not contact the interior of your cab. The booties should be applied with your foot suspended mid-air, and you should step directly to the ground, just like Dr. Pitkin is demonstrating. It is important to protect the farm from contaminants potentially on the bottom of your shoe from your cab.
When you exit the cab, be sure to bring your biosecurity kit with you.
Step 4, set up your biosecurity kit. Each farm may have their own protocol for this step. Do follow your farm's protocol. And in this training, we're going to show you how to use a biosecurity kit, which is usually some type of tub at the loading entrance. First, without allowing your feet to touch the ground, remove your shoes, step directly into the biosecurity tub, and repeat the process for your second foot. None of your body or sanitary equipment should touch the ground. At this point in time, you can gear up in your biosecure coveralls, boots, and gloves. Note, these boots should already have booties applied to them. Step 5, enter the trailer and load pigs. Step straight from your biosecurity kit to the ladder. Climb inside and get ready to receive pigs.
So the line of separation when loading animals is critical to maintain biosecurity. We don't want the farm staff to cross into the trailer, and we don't want the driver to cross into the farm. Wherever you deem that line of separation to be, make sure that everybody moving gilts knows exactly where they can and can't go. For this instance, we don't want the farm staff to cross off the slat, and we don't want the truck driver to cross off the black rubber.
When you are all finished, return to your biosecurity tub and change back into your original equipment. Step 6. Store your biosecurity equipment. Your dirty clothes should not just be thrown into your cab. This would increase the chances of spreading disease. Store it in an external cubby on your truck or contained in a dirty box or bag.
When you're done loading and before you get back into your cab, it's very important to take off your booties to protect the cleanliness of the cab. We'll show you here. Step up onto the running boards. Sit in your chair. Without touching the bottoms of the booties, roll them off and turn them inside out. Take the other one off. Place the other booty with it. Roll them inside out. And now you should have a clean surface. Take a garbage bag from your vehicle, put the booties in there so they protect your cab, and you're ready to go.
Remember to disinfect your hands. Step 7. Transport your load responsibly, the most direct and most biosecure route. Don't drive any place that might result in picking up an unexpected disease. Your manager may direct you to drive around farms that could potentially contaminate your load with disease. Observe these maps for the health and safety of the livestock you transport. Step 8. Once you've arrived on the farm, put on your biosecurity equipment. Realize this is another step where your farm may have a different protocol. Some farms put on double booties. Some farms spray feet with disinfectant. Follow your farm's protocol.
So now that we're at the sow farm, we're ready to unload our group of gilts. We're going to use our biosecurity kit and maintain our clean, dirty line in the process.
Step 9. Unload.
Hey Janet, we're here at the farm ready to load your gilts. Just want to make sure that you stay in the chute. Our driver will stay in the truck and maintain the line of separation.
Yes, ma'am, and we're ready whenever you're ready to send the pigs.
Assist in unloading to the extent of your responsibilities corresponding to your location. Just as when you are loading, there will be a clean, dirty line at this location. Be sure not to cross onto the side where you do not belong.
So now that we unloaded our sanctuary and we were able to deliver gilts to the farm biosecurely, we're ready to take this truck back to the wash, clean it up, and get it ready for the next load.
Step 10. Exit the trailer and sign any necessary paperwork. Step 11. Store your biosecurity equipment for cleaning. Before you jump into the cab, take your dirty biosecurity equipment and place it into a garbage bag or tote labeled dirty. Step 12. Time to clean, disinfect, and dry the cab and trailer prior to hauling another load.
Biosecurity is everything to maintain health to our pigs. We'd rather prevent disease than have to deal with disease. So today we prevented major pathogens from coming into the farm. Things like PRRS, PED, mycoplasma, all have million-dollar ramifications on a herd. And by doing biosecure procedures, we're able to keep those out of our farms and keep our animals healthy.
Help prevent a $1 million mistake. Don't be dirty.
Biosecurity doesn't cost, it pays.
A special thanks to Neogen, PIC, Tosh Farms, Bacon by Gosh, Tosh Pork, Ag Create, and Pork Avenue Training Portal.